everybody, welcome back to Kelly from Deli. This is Kelly here. This is part one of 2 parts of Kelly makes her red carpet dress for the AMAs. I designed an accessories line for the last 8 months. We are gonna do a soft launch on the red carpet at the AMAs. So I invited my best friend. I need to make her a dress. I need to make myself a dress because shit man, we gotta look good. I made these from thrift store items. And I figure why not wear them on the red carpet. This week is going to be me sort of talking about my design ideas and the process that I'm gonna go with. I'm gonna do a little quick sketch for y'all. And then normally we'd go get fabric, but I already did that. I do have some leftover fabric from these boots. And if I had enough of the Betty blazer,
PT.1.
that would be amazing to make like a mini dress just to get some more Betty in my life. Like who doesn't want more of that shit? But I don't have enough of that material, so I think if I'm patching fabrics up top for the dress, it's gonna be way too fucking much with these boots. I think for the first time in my life, I'm gonna have to try to simmer it down a little bit, but I mean, these boots make me really excited, so I think I'm okay with that. And when I'm designing, I need to like see with my eyeballs, like the colors and textures. Like I can't just draw it because then I end up doing something completely different once I see the material. So that was also another reason why I went and got the material first, is because I need to kind of see things and then I get the ideas, and you kind of got to let the material do what it wants to do, even though you might want to fight it. Like I kind of want to fight this material, but these are kind of already like a muted color, you know, and I think white, black, beige, anything like that is kind of gonna just like kind of not give it like a richness. Like I feel like these rhinestones pick up a lot of colors like pinks and greens. So I really wanted to pick up some colors from here and kind of like tie the dress in that way. So the color I chose for my dress is, look at this. This is like an emerald, velvety, kind of like slinky material that I really think, you know, with the sort of holographicness in the bottom of these, I think this is gonna make the dopest mini dress ever. Let's put it on right now. We can see what I'm gonna look like. Oh shit. Oh shit, girl. Oh shit, put on your boots. And our accessory line that I designed, we repurposed old CDs. I can't really say anymore, but that has like a holographicness to it as well, so I think it's gonna tie it all together. There is some fantastic news I'd like to share with you. I do have a little bit of Betty's blazer. If you have no idea what I'm talking about why I'm calling these Betty blazer fabric, check out the video from 2 weeks ago and you'll see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make a clutch. Let me show you. I found, you can go on Etsy, so I love Etsy, and you can find these clutch frames which are just absolutely amazing. They're very affordable, and what I'm going to do is I'm gonna put some of this fabric in here and I'm gonna make a little clutchy clutch. So really a way that I sort out all my ideas is I just start drawing, but I draw last. So, you know, I have an idea of what I want, I know what the fabric's gonna look like, and then I draw to really pinpoint it all, because to be honest, I wanna make 10 billion things, and that's just not a real thing. So part 1, let's get drawing.
Oh, and on a completely random side note, if you like vegan, sugar-free, no artificial anything, 3-ingredient vanilla chai, I'm gonna place the ingredients down below. You're welcome.
Oh. I can tell you why I'm not going to the AMAs. My voice is literally the worst voice on the planet, besides when I sing one song. Doug and everyone else in the universe seem to disagree. I'll do it right now for you. Who will save your soul? I try and tell myself it'll be alright. I just think I haven't stretched my vocals, but I really think I sound good, especially when she's singing with me and we're doing a duet. Will save your soul.